Hey everybody, we are outside in the sunshine, and of course it's not the best place to video, but I tried videoing in our lanai and it was too dark. And I'm going to work on that because I need to work on the lighting situation. But when you're outside, it's even worse because you have the sunlight from one angle, you have fountains to the left and a fountain to the right, and I have the breeze blowing the trees. So the sound may be off, the lighting may be off, but we're going to go for this anyway. It's an experiment. Well, yesterday I went out shopping. I'm doing more of the getting out and shopping than I have been in the past because I feel like things are a little better when it comes to being out in crowds, and so I could not wait to go in Sephora. I could have ordered online, but I wanted to visit. So I went in and bought my usual items, and I picked up a couple of items that I wanted to try. So I'm going to share those with you because if you are like me and you are a makeup lover, you want to get out and try new. And that's what we're going to do today. So I went into Sephora and I had a couple things I was looking for, and the sales reps were great at helping, very knowledgeable. But then I just wanted to wander and browse and see what I could come up with that I had been thinking about buying, but I didn't need any help looking for it. I just wanted to see what was new on the shelves. But first, I wanted to buy the one thing that I need every summer, and that is the Evian facial mist. I just love this product. It is so simple. It's just misting water. You just spritz it on, and actually you can use it year-round, but I love it in the summertime, especially if I'm lounging around the pool or just plain old damn hot. If you're on summer vacation or you're on spring break, you are really going to appreciate it because it is just moisturizing, refreshing water. And how simple can that be? So look for that. Actually, I bought two of them. We're just going to keep it in the beach bag because that's a given. And then I bought something that I have been using for years, and that is that Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Lotion. But this is not the size I was looking for. They did not have them in stock. What I wanted was the 0.5 ounces, this tiny little Clinique moisturizer. You can see that I've used almost every bit of it. It is so easy to keep with you. It doesn't have a scent, so it doesn't bite your perfume, and they did not have that size. But while I was in there, I went ahead and bought the 1.7 fluid ounces because I'm going to use it no matter what size it's packaged in. But I really am looking for this tiny size, and I'm going to keep on the hunt for that. So you'll notice the lip color I'm wearing is Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk. Well, that's because I bought the trial size at Sephora. They had it, as you go out, and they have the little minis and more. Well, there are mini and more Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk lip kit. It has the liner and it has this lipstick. So the lip liner and lipstick come together, and it gives you a chance to try the product without committing to a full tube of lipstick and lip liner. And it's a pretty substantial amount of lipstick and lip liner. And this is the Pillow Talk Matte Revolution, so that's even better. It's long lasting. Now look at the lip liner. That is a large lip liner. And so putting those together in a kit is wonderful because, like I said, I don't have to commit to the full lip liner and lipstick. So try that. I'm hoping they're going to come out with more colors along the way. Each time I go in, I'll look for a different color, but I'm loving this Pillow Talk. And I love the fact that it's matte, so it stays on much longer. Next, I used a product that I use religiously. I use this every day. It's Laura Mercier's Secret Blurring Powder for Under Eyes. Now, some makeup artists will tell you they believe that putting any kind of powder under your eyes ages you because it brings out the fine lines around your eyes. But I think concealer that has caught in the creases around your eyes looks much worse than putting on this blurring powder and setting the concealer. So I love this. It is a very, very, very fine milled powder, and I use it every day. This is number one. It's Secret Blurring Powder for Under Eyes, number one. Actually, there's no color to it at all. Try it, see if you like it. I use it religiously. Got that. That's the main thing I needed, because this product is what I went in to get. If I wasn't going to get anything else, I was going to get this product because I had used every bit I had and thought I had a backup, but I can't find it. So I ran in to get this and stayed in Sephora for a while. Now this is what I love about just browsing through the store. I came across a product I didn't know existed, but I had to have it after I saw it. And that is Hourglass Highlighter. This is a flash highlighting stick. I can't tell you how excited I am about this, because you know I love to wear a good highlighter, and I usually wear Dior Nude Air Luminizer. And of course it's a powder luminizer. Highlighter is almost gone. Look at that. I'm all the way to the pan on that one. But it is a powder, so I wanted to try this because it is not. It is a moisturizing stick, almost like a lipstick. And I will put a close-up of this. I purchased, look at this packaging. Oh my gosh, I love the packaging. Hourglass. I purchased the pink flash, but let me tell you what other colors it comes in. It comes in champagne flash, gold flash, rose gold flash, and bronze flash. How beautiful would that be at the beach? The bathing suit, and you can highlight your shoulders. I love that. You know, years ago I had a highlighter that had little bits of glitter in it. I mean, pretty good sized pieces of glitter in it that I would wear to the beach. And this has just really fine little sparkles. And that's what I'm going to try. I'm going to use it as a cheek color highlighter and also on my shoulders. I love the packaging on this. Look at it. Gorgeous, simple, very sleek looking. And let me see how much that was. Hourglass. It was... Okay, the Hourglass Flash was $42, and it's a pretty good size tube. It is, how many ounces is in here? It is 0.21 ounces, and I guarantee that's going to last a while. And I will use it as a cheek highlighter, use it as a body highlighter. I can't wait. I love it, love it, love it. I didn't put it on today, but I did put on the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk lip kit. So what we bought was Hourglass Highlighter, Evian Facial Mist, Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizer, Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk lip kit, and what else? Is that it? No, Laura Mercier's Secret Blurring Powder for Under Eyes. What a day. I could not be happier. And I hope that you are having a happy day on this spring week. And I hope you have some good plans for spring and summer where you can go get out, get in the sun, get out of the house. I am so excited about one little thing that I've discovered lately. These bougainvillea blow in the wind when it's windy out. It's a little breezy today, not bad, but these bougainvillea blooms blow into my pool. And I love the look of it. It's almost as if I did it intentionally, but I don't. And I just allow them to float because then they go into the filter, and that's fine. I don't have to clean them up because they float right on top of the water. And it so reminds me of Hawaii. I've seen very similar things in Hawaii, and they'll put out bowls of flowers, and they'll just like in India, they'll float flowers. And I've done a video on floating flowers before, which you might want to look at. I'll tag that for you, and you can do it yourself for spring and summer. It just adds a lot of happy to your house. So I hope you do have a happy house and a happy spring, and I will let you go and enjoy your day. And I have somebody just pulled up. I'm not sure who it is, but I'm going to find out. So anyway, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, please tap the subscribe button. And please tap the bell to the right of that button, and it'll notify you each time I post a new video. And follow me on Instagram. Bye.